for the GSI conference. First, I will introduce you to Mr. Gonan, that is the Dean of Studies and Research at INAC, that will present you the school and the research activities.
So, dear guests, ladies and gentlemen, so it's a great honor for me to welcome at INAC Main Campus, the 4th International Conference on Geometric Science of Information. This occasion gives me the opportunity to highlight the constructive cooperation between INAC and the Toulouse Mathematics Institute, since this conference opens the 2019 thematic semester on statistics with geometry and topology of the International Center for Mathematics and Computer Science in Toulouse. I have been kindly requested to say a few words at the beginning of the conference. First, I would like to give a warm welcome to all of you, distinguished guests. Second, and as a non-specialist, why I think this conference is interesting from my understanding. The relation between geometric science of information and air transportation, and how this relation can help handling some problems arising in this field. INAC is one of the leading aeronautics and aviation university in Europe, supplying a broad range of training, expertise, as well as research activities. It is a unique mix of engineering university, providing high-level education programs of Master of Science, Advanced Masters, as well as PhDs in the whole domain of air transport, a world leader flight school, and also a professional academy training air traffic controllers. The air transport system is one which is spread over a global scale, with the duty of accomplishing critical missions users' integrity, as well as having to manage performance constraints. It involves a great diversity of operators and stakeholders. As such, it constitutes one of the most complex systems ever conceived by humans. One of the objectives of INAC research is to bring concrete solutions to numeric scientific challenges which affect the evolution of air transport, of course, in the context of international and national research cooperation. Applied mathematics is one of our main research fields to reach this objective. In this framework, I find very interesting the role of geometry of information. I have been told that in the last years, these approaches have been successfully used in air traffic management and air transport. Trajectories analysis through geometric modeling in shape space, new approach to measure the coupling between flight delays in the aeronautical network. All this appears to me very promising. I am convinced that your conference will be very interesting and also productive, of course. Before ending my brief speech, I would like to thank all the local organizing committee whose deep involvement and hard work made this event possible. Special thanks to Stefan, Florence, Cathy, etc. My final wishes are that INAC will be a fruitful and accommodating place for scientific discussions and exchanges, and that you will take good memories home with you. Thank you very much for your attention.
So welcome at ENAC for this first edition of Geometric Science of Information. So I would like to give many thanks to the local organizer, ENAC, and especially Stéphane Sprechmorel, Florence Nicole, Alice Le Brigand, Klein, Thierry Klein, and others, many local organizers, and also the scientific committee, because we have more than 300 reviewers for the publication. So I will give you some information. So it is a co-organization with SEE, because this conference is SEE, has been launched by SEE in 2013. So SEE is an organization in France which is very close to IEEE in the US or IET in UK, and is federated in FS2, which is a cluster of scientific association in electronics, in physics, in optics. And so we are organizing different conferences with 19 technical clubs and 12 regional groups. That one representative, Florent Christophe, is here, and I will give you a short announcement. And so you have a web page for SEE, and the most well-known president of SEE were Paul Langevin and Louis de Broglie. So as explained previously, so this conference is included in a trimester which is organized by the LABEX CIMI, which is led by Institut Mathématique de Toulouse, IMT. So GSI will be the first event, but you have other workshops that will be organized. So I invite you to go to the web page of this trimester, and you will have you will have the program of the other workshop on geometric statistics, information geometry, topology for learning and data analysis, and computational aspect of geometry. So the organizer is SEE and ENAC, with a founding sponsor of La Région Occitanie. And we have two also scientific sponsors by SMF, Société Mathématique de France, and SMI, Société Mathématique Appliquée et Industrielle, and other scientific sponsors which are indicated here, with CIMI, Institut Mathématique de Toulouse, Thales, CNRS Research Cluster, GDR MIA, GDR ISIS, also École Polytechnique, and also some for publication we have support of Springer for the proceedings, and also we have collaboration with Entropy for special issue. So you have some flyers on the desk, and also Sony CSL with Frank on Lix department of École Polytechnique. So just a short story of GSI conference. It will start in 2009 with Léon Briouin seminar, which was hosted at IRCAM, especially with Archia Comte, which was a local organizer. And during 2009-2014, we have organized the Briouin seminar on geometric science of information. And it led to a first workshop in 2011 organized at École Polytechnique on Thales Research and Technology on matrix information geometry, and Springer with Frank and Rachendra Bhatia have published a book from this workshop. And then we have decided to launch a GSI conference. So the first one in 2013 at Mines Paris Tech. The second one at École Polytechnique in 2015, and the last one at Mines Paris Tech in 2017. I give so you have the copy of the slide on the website, and here you have the link, because you have the access to some slide and video of this conference. This is some picture of our last conference with some keynote speaker, like our honorary guests, invited persons like Jean-Louis Cauzoul, who passed away 1 year ago, and Hirohiko Shima, Roger Ballion for the first edition. For the second edition, we have invited Charles-Michel Marle, and for the last one, we have also invited Jean-Michel Bismuth, and Yann Olivier was as a best paper for natural Langevin dynamic topic. So we have all the workshop of the GSI conference have their proceeding edited by Springer. So many thanks to Springer for this support. And we have a very hard work by Frank to make to prepare these proceedings. So many thanks to Frank Nilsson for its hard work to prepare this proceeding and to have a hard copy for the conference. But you have also a free Springer link on the GSI website. So you can also have a free access to the PDF during 3 weeks, I think so. So we have also organized other satellite events. So TGSI, Topological and Geometric Structure of Information at CIRM in Marseille in 2017. So you have also the link if you want to see the video. We have organized with Entropy in Barcelona from physics to information science and geometry in May 2018. This year we have organized in Montpellier a conference which is called FGSI for Foundation of Geometric Structure of Information. It was dedicated to a seminal work of Élie Cartan, Jean-Louis Cossul and Jean-Marie Souriau. You have also a website link if you want to see some presentation. And we are preparing another seminar for next year, which will be at Les Houches. Les Houches is a seminar for physicists, which has been launched by Roger Ballion many years ago, which is supported by CNRS and CEA. And we will have a joint workshop with physicists on joint structure and common foundation of statistical physics, information geometry, and inference for learning. So for GSI this year, so we have more than 180 attendees from 21 different countries. So the first countries in terms of attendees is France, Japan, Germany, USA, and UK. But we have also representatives of Denmark, Brazil, Canada. So we have 88 talks on 3 days with a selection rate of 76% based on 356 reviews on posters. So we have 5 keynote speakers, but I will give you more detail after. So we have 18 sessions, so I will not give you the details of this session. So we have a parallel oral session and poster session and plenary one. So mainly after this opening session we will have a keynote by Jean-Baptiste Iriat-Urruti on Fermat, and we will have another keynote at the end of this day at 6 p.m. By Gérard Letac. And we will have a group photo just before the cocktail, which will be at ENAC close to the registration desk. So you have behind your badges, you have the agenda of the conference, and you have some abstract on your booklet. So I invite you to look at the program on the different sessions to optimize your schedule of the different to assist to the different sessions. So 2 days we will have 3 parallel sessions on shape space, geometric mechanics, and geometry of tensor value data, and then a plenary session on Lie group machine learning. And then 3 parallel sessions on geometric structure in thermodynamics and statistical physics, monotone embedding and affine immersion of probability models, and divergent geometry. And then the keynote of Gérard Letac and the welcome reception. So tomorrow we will have a keynote first keynote at the opening of the day, and a last keynote by Elena Celedoni at the end of the day, before the gala dinner that will be at Hotel Dieu in Toulouse downtown. On the last day, we'll have 3 parallel sessions on a keynote by Gabriel Perret on optimal transport on a closing session. So for guest honorary speaker, so we have a keynote by Jar Le Tac. Yes, sorry, we have cancelled the talk of Alain Schensiner because he have for health reasons. Would like to apologize for this last change, but we were also very happy because Gérard Le Tac has accepted to give a talk on classifying the exponential families by moving on Cofex function, where he will explain the result of his last PhD student. Then we will have an invited honorary speaker keynote by Carl Friston on Markov blanket on Bayesian mechanics tomorrow morning. Tomorrow evening we will have a keynote by Elena Celedoni for NTNU on structure preserving algorithm for geometric numerical integration. And then the last keynote will be given by Gabriel Perret on optimal transport for machine learning, which is mainly based on his last book on this topic. And then today we will have a keynote by Jean-Baptiste Iriart-Turuti on Pierre de Fermat. So you have a map also on your booklet, especially for the different desks, room. So mainly this room here and the Amphi Bellonte here, but also for exhibition and for other rooms. You have a map in your booklet. So this evening we'll have a welcome cocktail at ENAC at 19. With a tasting of wines and cheese. And we will have a gala dinner at Hotel Dieu tomorrow evening. So I think that you can, perhaps there is additional place for gala dinner. So if you have not yet registered for the gala dinner, you could request and register at the registration desk. So some announcements. So this is some example of last publication on geometric science of information, and especially we have a special issue by the Information Geometry Journal on information geometry on optimal transport. That is so the guest editor is Yun Zhang. And we have another special issue on the Springer Information Geometry Journal on affine differential geometry and ACE geometry, a tribute and memorial to Jean-Louis Causoul, which is the guest editor is Professor Ishii. So I invite you to go to the website of Springer Information Geometry Journal. With MDPI, we have 2 special issues. MDPI Entropy, a special issue on Lie group machine learning and Lie group structure preserving integration. On Stéphane Sprech-Morel is a guest editor of MDPI Mathematics on a special issue on geometry and topology in statistics. So a special slide for arbitrary about Jean-Louis Causoul, who visited our conference in GSI 2013, and he passed away last year. So there is many works, theoretical work of Jean-Louis Causoul, but unfortunately in French. So you have the list of French papers dedicated to geometry of sharp convex cone, which are very important for the foundation of information geometry. And we have some discussion with Springer for translation in English of this paper. You have also the book of Frank Nilsson on geometric structure of information, where I've write a paper on Jean-Louis Causoul work on his link with information geometry. And recently, with the help of Springer, we have translated a Chinese lecture of Jean-Louis Kozoul in English, published in this book, which is called Introduction to Symplectic Geometry, where Jean-Louis Kozoul are developing the work of Jean-Marie Souriau in symplectic geometry, and they have extended the notion of Fisher metric in Lie group space. And the last event, it was Sao Paulo, because as many members of Bourbaki group, Jean-Louis Kozoul has given 3 lectures at Sao Paulo on faisceau et cohomologie, so sheaves and cohomology, variété calérienne, calérienne manifold, exposé sur l'espace homogène symétrique, so some exposure on symmetric homogeneous space. And you will have a workshop in November organized by Claudio Gorodsky, and they have the project to publish and to translate these lectures in the Sao Paulo Journal of Mathematical Science. So just for the anecdote, so Jean-Louis Kozoul was his grandfather was Julien Kozoul, and he was the cousin of Henri Dutilleux, so it was also a family of musicians. And I talked with his daughter, and it was very funny, but because the family of Kozoul come from the Napoleon War, because Kozoul is a name from Poland, and the one ancestor of Kozoul was in the Grande Armée of Napoleon. So after the Russian campaign, he came back to Strasbourg, and he married with a French woman in Strasbourg, and she's the origin of the Kozoul family. Other birthday is so this anniversary of the 50th birthday of Jean-Marie Souriau book. So we have organized this year in France a workshop which is called Souriau 2019. And you have some video on internet, especially the talk of Jean-Pierre Bourguillon, which is director of European ERC, and he gave a talk on Jean-Marie Souriau on symplectic geometry. So you have also a website where you can find some documents. So Souriau was a student of École Normale Supérieure with Jacques Dismier and René de Vels. It was also a family of students from École Normale Supérieure, and they were very interested by movements. His grandfather was a philosopher, and he has a book on aestheticisms of motion. And the main book of Souriau was on structure of motion. Souriau and Kozoul were 2 participants to the differential geometry conference, which is very well known in Strasbourg in 1963, where you have very well known geometers like Chern, de Rham, Ekham, Eresman, Godot, Hopf, Lichnerowicz, Malgrange, Milnor, Ribes, Schwarz, Suess, Thom, and Lieberman, but you have also Kozoul and Souriau. And this year is also the 150th birthday of Élie Cartan, who was born in Dolomieu in 1869. In fact, Kozoul and Souriau were 2 students of Cartan, because they have followed his lectures at Sorbonne University. And in 1984, they have organized in Lyon a conference, and 2 of the keynote speakers were Kozoul and Souriau. On the website, you have a music. We have changed the music, and now you have the music of Jean Cartan, which was the son of Élie Cartan, but he died very young, at 25, and it was a very famous composer. And you have a link between the Kozoul family and Cartan family, because the grandfather of Kozoul was a teacher of Albert Roussel, which was the teacher of Jean Cartan. So it was a mixing of mathematics and music in between the Cartan family and the Kozoul family. So Toulouse is also very famous for different scientists. One of them is Eugène Cossérat, one of inventors of elasticity, and he was influenced by Pierre Duhem, and so the Coursera brothers were the founders of new theory of elasticity, and I think it's very interesting because for the time being in geometric science and information we are using a little this result of elasticity theory, but I am sure that that there is many interesting things we have to study. And this conference is related to Blaise Pascal and Pierre de Fermat, because Blaise Pascal and Pierre de Fermat have created the discipline of probability by their correspondence. And Blaise Pascal has a very famous first paper where on the name in Latin is Aleae Geometria, which is translated geometry of chance. So just to conclude, because Professor Ruti will explain you many things on Fermat, the relation with Fermat and GSI is mainly, for example, the Fermat points, which is also the median. So it was the first time that the problem of median has been proposed by Fermat. So it's very famous in the GSI community how to compute a barycenter in a very abstract space, and especially a median barycenter. So we know very well the Fréchet work and Karcher work, but you have also premise of that in Fermat. And also all related to physics, the Fermat principle of least time, which was proposed, which it's also very active because you have a very recent paper, for example, of Professor Duval in Marseille on the Fermat principle for spanning light related to Souriau work. So you have affiliation in calculus of variation by the French scientists from Fermat with the Fermat principle of attraction, Maupertuis with the principle of least length, Lagrange, Poisson, Poincaré with Euler-Poincaré equation, Élie-Cartan with Poincaré-Cartan integral invariant, Souriau with symplectic geometry in calculus of variation, and random mechanic with Bismuth. I conclude. So we have, as last edition, we have Springer will will sponsor the base paper prize. So it will be announced at the closing session of the conference. And a few words by Alice about women of mathematics.
Yes, I just wanted to mention that ENAC is right now hosting an exhibition on women of mathematics. It's a series of portraits of 13 women mathematicians around the world, and they're exhibited in the ENAC corridors, and you will be able to see them during the conference.
Thank you. So I give the floor now to Professor